Okay, if I pushed all the right buttons, the YouTube is operating, so we're ready to go. Let me call this case. This is P-41077. This is in the estate of David Ta-Ching Liu. Did I say that right, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right. And if my recollection is correct, you're Dr. Liu?
Yes. Yes.
Good afternoon. I'm so sorry to hear your dad's passing.
Thank you.
Yeah. Please, Mr. Beer,
Yes, Judge.
call your witness for the record.
Yes, we would call the executor in this case, Dr. Liu,
Okay,
Nadine
Doctor-
Liu, full name.
Doctor, I'll ask you to raise your right hand. Will you swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, go ahead, sir, Mr. Beer.
Can I call you Dr. Liu instead of Nadine Liu? Is that all right?
Sure.
You are the executor in this case, is that correct?
Yes.
And your father, David Liu, is the decedent who passed on June 15th of 21,
Yes.
and that was in Hidalgo County.
Yes.
He was 84 years old at the time.
Correct.
And he left a will dated November 1 of 2010. Is that accurate?
Yes.
And we've admitted that will. You provided the original will to be filed with the court, have you not?
Yes. Or you did.
Yes, on your behalf. And there have been no children born or adopted by your father after the date of the will.
No.
And no marriages also
No.
after the date of the will.
No.
And the decedent, your father, he did not apply for and never received any Medicaid benefits. Is that accurate after March, or in this case, not at all, as I recall?
Never at all. Yes.
And you have personal knowledge of the financial affairs of your father. I'm assuming you do.
Yes.
Okay. And in this case, there's no need for the administration of the estate because there were no debts owed by your father. Not even mortgages, I understand.
No, they own the house now.
Okay. Judge, I think we've also filed an oath of no debts in this case, and I can ask the decedent to confirm what you just confirmed, that as the daughter of the decedent in this case, that there are no debts owed by the estate, as we stated earlier, specifically no debts owed to Medicaid. Is that accurate?
Correct.
Okay, I have the proof of death and other facts. I'll take judicial notice of it. Does that conclude your testimony?
It does in this case, Judge.
Okay, Dr. Liu, I'm so sorry to hear your dad's passing. Please extend my sympathies to the rest of his family.
Thank you.
I have a proposed order here submitted by your judge. I think everything is in order. I'm going to sign it as soon as I get a chance to. I'm in the middle of preparation for a trial Monday morning, so I'm not sure when I'll get to this. I'm going to try to get to it at least during the weekend, but I will soon. I will as soon as I can get to it. What's left is just signing and sending it to the court. I intend to sign it, and I do grant your application.
Thank you, Judge. We'll check back with the court and find out when it's a record so that we can shortly thereafter file the sworn affidavit confirming that she's fulfilled all the duties of the executor.
Okay, when I file it with the court, I'll send you a copy, email copy showing that I signed the order.
Okay, Judge. I used to live in the Valley many years ago, Judge, and your name is definitely familiar to me. I was with Legal Services many years ago with David Hall.
Oh yeah, David.
We're talking decades and decades ago. So
Okay.
I do recognize your name, and actually your face also is recognizable to me. But it's been many years since I left the Valley.
I'm not the presiding judge anymore. I'm retired, happily retired, Doctor and Mr. Beer. But I think the presiding judge recused herself. I'm not exactly sure why. She may have been involved in representing your dad or something. I'm not sure, but
yeah, we couldn't figure it out either.
Okay. Well,
have a good day, Judge, and I appreciate you taking the time to have this matter heard in lieu of the original signed judge.
I'm glad to help the family. You all have a nice day.
You too,
Thank you
Judge.
so much.
Thank you.